Today we are looking at elements of art. Form. What is form? Form is an element of art that have three dimensions or have length, width, and height, such as pyramids, spheres, cones, cylinder, and cubes. The world we live in is made up almost entirely of forms. As artists, we must have a strong understanding of form and how to create the illusion of form in drawings and paintings. What are the types of forms? We have geometric forms and we have organic forms. Geometric forms have specific names associated with them and are typically man-made. Organic forms, on the other hand, do not have specific names associated with them and are often associated with naturally occurring forms. So, nature or the environment. Drawing representationally. We can create the illusion of form by understanding how light reacts on an object. It is communicated to viewers through several factors. So, adjusting these areas with values of the local color will result in the illusion of form in a drawing or painting. So you can add white for tints, so lighter areas, and you can add black for shades for darker areas. So this is an form, a spheres. As you can see, the highlight is the area where light hitting the object directly. So you can think about like there's a light source and it's hitting the object. So it's a lot lighter and more white. The midtone is the middle value of the local color of the object. And then you have like the core shadow is the area that is shaded on the object, right? Then you have the cast shadow and is the area that is shaded on surrounding objects, and surface is because of blocked light. So basically wherever you have your highlight where that dramatic, where the light is hitting the surface of that object, then there's a cast shadow because underneath and it falls below the object. And then you also have the reflected highlight, which is it is bounce. It's a light that is from the highlight and it bounces off and return back to the object on the underside. Organic form. Organic forms, they look natural. They are irregular and may seem flowing and unpredictable. The most obvious example of organic forms are realistic representation of the natural world or living things, or you can say things made by God, right? So you have animals, so like butterfly, flowers, mountains, and other more organic shapes, more curves, lots of curve lines are used, and it's more free flowing. Geometric forms. So for spheres, we have a basketball. An example of a cone would be an ice cream cone. An example for a cube would be a box, so a present, a wrap present. And an example for a cylinder would be a a gas or air cylinder. Cube. So this was done using cartridge paper, and as you can see, the layout was first colored and then put together. Today's vocabulary words are 1. Form. 2. Three-dimensional shape. 3. Pyramid. 4. Sphere. 5. Cone. 6. Cylinder. 7. Cube. 8. Organic form. 9. Geometric form. 10. Highlight. 11. Mid-tone. 12. Cast shadow. 13. Reflected highlight. And 14. Core shadow. For today, the activity will be to 1. Define form in terms of art. 2. What are the 2 types of forms? 3. You're going to describe organic form. 4. State what is geometric form. And 5. Describe cast shadow in your own words. Section B, you're going to draw, shade, and label the 5 forms below. Emoji, Nemo, cone, ice cream cone, cylinder, soap dispenser, and Rubik's Cube. So you're going to draw them, you're going to shade them, and then you're going to label what type of form they are. Pleasant evening. Thank you. Shishini.